Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you have loss, spoilage, or send out samples of your products, you need to manually adjust your inventory levels. QuickBooks allows you to do this in the Adjust Quantity/Value on Hand window. To view this window, select Vendors, Inventory Activities, Adjust Quantity/Value on Hand from the menu bar. First, select the type of inventory adjustment to make from the Adjustment Type drop-down menu. You can adjust the quantity, total value, or both the quantity and total value. Enter the date of the adjustment into the Adjustment Date field. Then select the account the adjustment will affect from the Adjustment Account drop-down menu. To the right, enter an adjustment reference number into the Reference Number field. You can also assign a customer job or class to the transaction if needed. Enter the reason for the adjustment into the Memo field at the bottom of the form. Then click into the Item column in the first available row and select the first item to adjust from the drop-down list. If making a quantity adjustment, either type the new quantity or the quantity difference into the respective column. If you enter a loss of items into the quantity difference column, be sure to enter the difference as a negative number. If entering a total value adjustment, enter the new total value into the new value column. After adjusting the inventory, click the Save and Close button to finish.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.